So the long-awaited day finally arrived and I could go collect my laptop. When I was scratching ice away, I didn't have the best tool for that. It was just a random piece of plastic I had and normally used for this purpose. The owners of my cabin and at the same time my neighbors saw me struggling through the windows, and they gifted me the special ice scratcher that was super effective and made my life so much easier. So that day I woke up before the sunrise because I not only was going to collect my laptop, which was like 20 kilometers away in the other village, and after that I was planning to go to the, I think, biggest city in our area, and wanted to come back when it's still daylight. I didn't succeed with that, but I tried. And it was the first time this morning that actually my car wouldn't start by itself and we needed to charge the battery. Before, I never used my car so early in the day, so that was probably the reason. So I thought that I will just share a few fragments of the journey through the snowy and wintry landscape of North Sweden. The next day and following days of this week were very snowy, and I spent most of the day trying to set up my laptop to start working on it. And after my last unfortunate accident with my previous laptop, I introduced a strict rule to keep drinks far, far away. I feel really blessed to live with a fire on daily basis and having my meals in front of it. It's very soothing and cozy, and it can be also a source of really great inspiration. I also started to experiment a lot with byproducts of cooking and trying to implement them in different vegan desserts. And using some berries that I collected before winter in our local forests. Next day was really beautiful and stormy, and I spent all day outside filming, but I think that this day deserves another separate video. Hello world, thank you for being here, and for those who have been here before on my channel and to those who are here for the first time, welcome. And my name is Isa, and I'm just making this video to just give a little bit of update that I finally have laptop to continue on my videos. It has taken quite a long time, longer than I expected, but luckily the laptop is really fast, and compared to my previous one, the speed I can work with is just completely different. With previous one, to be honest, it was really very difficult to make these videos. So now I will be continuing my work, and I'm really very happy for that. And I have really plenty of films that I have made in the meantime and that I made before my laptop broke. So now my plan is to still use some of the clips from the past and just taking some kind of step back and sharing those videos, because I put a lot of work in it and I wouldn't like to all of them to go to waste. And so I will be just not very chronological. I don't know whether I will be moving backwards or I will be just mixing things around. I think it really depends on how, you know, what comes stronger to me at the moment. But yes, now when the laptop is in, and I also have my last week, a week ago, I broke my toe, so I'm not planning to walk very far. I walk, but I stay quite close in the area. And probably it's gonna take another couple of weeks for my toe to heal, and I just want to use this time and try to make as many videos in this time as possible. So thank you for waiting, for those who waited. And I also wanted to say thank you to the owners of my cabin, who are also my neighbors, and my brother, who helped me with the laptop. I mean, getting laptop sooner than maybe that would happen. So tack så mycket, Jinky. And for you, with a special dedication, the last scene of this video after I finish talking is just especially for you. I hope you all who watch this video enjoyed what has been so far, and the last scene is a little bit slower. It's a sunset, so it really takes time for the scenery to change a little bit, but the colors are really beautiful in my opinion. And I hope you enjoy it. One more important thing I wanted to mention is that in the description box, or I also put it in the comment below the video, you can find a link to a petition to stop further hunting of wolves. Wolves are quite important for ecosystem, and they're disappearing very fast from the map of the world. So I think it's very important to protect them. So if you can, please sign. And another thing is that if you know about some organizations or wolf conservatories here in Sweden, let me know. Or in Europe, it doesn't have to be in Sweden. Because I try to connect my different creative projects with different nature restoration and protection organizations, and there's one project that I have in mind that I would like to connect to protection of wolves. So if you can think about some organization protecting wolves here in Sweden, or any other Nordic, Scandinavian countries, or in Europe in general, let me know. I know of some conservatory in the US, and I've been following them for some time, but I think it would be nice if I could support something more local. So thank you for being here. Have a lovely time, and if you like my video, please like it, and if you want to see more, subscribe. It's really very helpful, and it really mean a lot to me. And let me know where you're from, how are you doing, and yeah, all the best, and have a lovely new year, because we have new year actually. So yes, everything the best for this year. Bye.